Returning to our list of queries, it's time to talk about who is running this circus. I am Joe Hellerstein, so I'm the instructor for this class. I've been a professor here at UC Berkeley for about 23 years now, as of early 2019. Most recently, I'm a co-director of the RISE lab here at Berkeley, where we do research on real-time, intelligent, secure, and explainable systems. I'm also on Berkeley's Data Science Governance Committee, which oversees the curriculum for our new and expanding data science program here at Berkeley that's got thousands of students majoring in data science. Outside of the realm of academia, I've also been involved in industry in a number of ways. I'm the co-founder and chief strategy officer of a company called Trifacta, which was founded back in 2012 based on research that I was doing at Berkeley with colleagues at Stanford. We are the leading vendor of data preparation, also known as data wrangling software, which I alluded to earlier. If you have messy data that you'd like to clean up, you can try out some of this research turned into a company, either at our website, trifacta.com, or at Google. Google's Cloud Data Prep product is Trifacta's product that's been deployed at Google. And so you can go and try those out for free and see what it's like to wrangle data with a modern visual and AI-driven approach to data wrangling. It's pretty cool. In addition to the work I've done at Trifacta, which I'm proud of because it really was a transition of research into practice, and it's nice to see things that we've invented turn into products that people use. I've also been involved in advising other companies. A notable one is Greenplum, which is a massively parallel database system that was based on Postgres and is now in open source, so you can download and play with that as well. Greenplum was eventually acquired by EMC, now Dell EMC, and is offered by their subsidiary Pivotal. I've also been an advisor to SurveyMonkey.com. I'm currently an advisor to Dell EMC and to various startups, mostly in the database management space. And then returning back to academia, I am the editor-in-chief of Foundations and Trends in Databases, which is a journal series that oversees research in the database field. So hopefully you'll get a sense that I'm involved both in the research side of database systems and teaching and in the way that these systems and their tools are getting deployed out in the real world. So hopefully during the course of this semester, I'll be able to comment with some authority on both the research front and on the way things are used in practice. Outside of work, I don't only do computer science. I was raised in the Midwest of the United States in Wisconsin. I have a couple of teenage daughters who take up a bunch of my time. For fun, I like to play the trumpet. I play jazz mostly. I'm fortunate to have performed on stage behind many well-known jazz luminaries over the years. I was always in the backup side of the band, but those were memorable experiences. Some of my bandmates over the years who are well-known actually have Berkeley connections as well. Joshua Redman is a alumnus of Berkeley's high school, Berkeley High, grew up here in Berkeley, and he's now one of the best-known jazz saxophonists in the world. And Vijay Iyer is a jazz pianist and a professor in the music department at Harvard, who I played with when I was in graduate school in computer science at Berkeley, and he was a grad student in physics. So he left the field of physics to become a jazz musician. He's also quite celebrated. Once upon a time, I was one of the people who helped to bring jazz on the internet in the early dial-up days of the internet. Another thing I've done for fun over the years is I've officiated at a number of weddings, including the wedding of two distinguished computer scientists, and that's something that's brought some pride to me and some good feelings over the years. One of the quotes on my website, I keep a few quotes there, is the one at the bottom here. Try to be efficient and only focus on those things that really matter and not obsess about the things that don't. I encourage you to take that approach as you go through this class and as you go through life in general. This semester, there's an amazing crop of TAs who are teaching this class. I will not read out their names. Instead, I'm going to let each of them introduce themselves with a short video selfie, and then we'll continue the video after that.
Hey, my name is Ben, and I'm a TA for 186 this semester. This is my second time teaching this class, and I'm really excited to teach it again. Please feel free to come to my office hours if you have any questions, and those are at 12 to 2 p.m. on Wednesdays. In my spare time, I like watching sports and playing poker.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian DeLeonardis. I'm a junior and this is my second time TAing CS 186. In my free time, I like to follow MLB baseball, play poker, and read detective novels. Really looking forward to working with all of you, and I hope you enjoy the course.
Hi, my name is Daphne, and I will be one of your TAs this semester for 186. It's my second time TAing, and I'm really excited. Please feel free to come to my section or my office hours with any of your questions, and I'll do my very best to help. In my spare time, I teach the Harry Potter decal, and I do ballet.
Hi everyone, my name is Jamie Gu. I'm currently a junior majoring in computer science and applied math. This is my second time TAing for this class, and when I took this class I really enjoyed it, so I hope you'll enjoy it too.
Hi, I'm Kimmy. I'm currently a third year and this is the second time I'm teaching 186. Feel free to come to my office hours and section to talk anytime. In my spare time, I enjoy hiking and most outdoors activities, and I'm also really in love with anything food related.
Hi everyone, my name's Kimberly and I'm going to be one of your TAs for CS 186 this semester. This is my third time teaching this class, and feel free to come to my section or office hours with any questions you might have. In my spare time, I like to dance and play Ultimate Frisbee.
Hi everyone, my name is Laksha and I'm a TA for this class. This is my third time TAing 186. And please feel free to come to my section or office hours with any logistical, administrative, or conceptual or content related questions you might have. In my spare time, I like to watch any and every sport known to man, and I play cricket on the Cal Cricket team. Go Bears!
Hi, my name is Michael. I'm helping out with the course this year, mostly with the autograder and some of the back-end infrastructure. So feel free to ping me on Piazza if you're having problems with submissions. Thanks.
The final piece of who's responsible for this class is you. This class is in your hands. It is obviously online, and everything that you need to do in this class is available to you online. You're also, of course, welcome to attend all the in-person pieces of the class as well. I think this class is eminently doable. It's not that hard if you kind of stay up to date with things. With steady work, I think this class is very achievable. And we will help to pace you to make sure that you don't fall behind. So there are weekly worksheets in our discussion sections, and there are online vitamins, which are short quizzes that will keep you on schedule. So those have to be turned in on schedule, and that will essentially serve to make sure that you don't fall behind on the lectures. There will be weekly in-person sections for the class here at Berkeley, as well as in-person office hours. The TAs will hold office hours, as will I, and you'll be able to come and talk to us in person with any questions you have. But I would say, given that this course is online, now more than ever, your success in the course is really in your hands. I would say, make sure that you're disciplined about watching the videos, taking the online quizzes, the vitamins, and keeping up to date with worksheets and sections.